Dumelang Lord, this is your girl, Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nestembu. And on this video, we are going to speak Ngongwa Mangwabe. Guys, Umangwabe was asked also the question, your contribution, right? And Ugo responded nope, I have no contribution. And the reason why I say I have no contribution, it is because Ubaba Mthombeni explained explicitly ukuthi the children that he values the most are boys. Because I did not give him boys, it means ukuthi these girls will not be able ukhulisa isibongo. You know what I like about production these days is that they are playing old clips, so no one can say no. Umseleku has never said. No one can say no. Maybe he was misquoted. Like, we can't defend him at this point because old videos are being played, which are portraying him, or which are showing him saying exactly those words which are hurtful. Because Umangwabe also alluded to say uthi ufuna ukhulisa isibongo sakibo, but sikhulisa isibongo sikama wakhe or something. So it means ukuthi uMusa is not using his dad's surname. Usebenzisa isibongo sikamama wakhe, sakagogo Flo. That's what I'm thinking. So now my question is, when it comes to emadlozini, people that believe in ancestral worship, what then happens in this instance? Because Umusa is a traditional person who observes traditional cultures, or yeah, into zesintu. What how does that affect ukhula komuzi if isibongo esiphakanyiswayo sakagogo Flo and not necessarily saka lo Sumseleku azalelwe kibo sakababa wakhe? Or has maybe kuye emsamo kwayocelwa ukuthi uMusa ukhula ngalesibongo? I don't know. What do you guys think? On the table, there was a discussion around Umseleku being pushed to take number 5. What was there a need, and what is the reason? His reason is umzumbu zofa, because abakhosikazi sewane imizi, and he cannot tell them ukuthi ngizonenzela into eso, because they'll forever remind him ukuthi you can't take number 5 because you promised us this. You can't do this because you promised us this. Wambuza ke uMangwabe athi ya besihlala eMzumbi, i-reason kuyile, manje sesiphumile, i-reason seyashintsha. Athi angisho yimi engilidayo. So when I lead, I can't tell you everything. There are things engizozigodla njenge-leader, because if I tell you ukuthi bengizoyenza 1 2 3 4 5, nina nizoyithatha ni-reverse futhi niyibuyise ngakimi, ningikhumbuze ukuthi nganithembisa 1 2 3 4 5. So therefore I kept quiet in that regard. But in my mind as your husband, I thought ukuthi ukuletha umuntu ehlala eMzumbe would be the ideal thing. Bayihlekela uMangwabe noMakhumalo noMayeni, bazihlekela shem straight, umacele straight face, wire. Kwamndabe then directed a question to uMangwabe to say, how did you feel uMthombeni makagula, right? And uMangwabe washo ukuthi it hurt. He's my husband at the end of the day. Yes, we might have conflicts. Yes, we might not see eye to eye there and there. But at the end of the day, he is my husband. Bengeke ngihlale ngisineke ngijabula ukuthi uyagula nani, which is factual, because at the end of the day, you can fight with a person, even your parents. You can say, hey, my parents are toxic, but when a push comes to shove and that person is sick or they're in need, you feel something because you are joined one way or the other. So Umangwabe explicitly responded to say, this is my husband, and because he's my husband, angeke ngihleka gula yenzani, I will not rejoice ngepeni yakhe. It felt so sad. It was not something nice, and ngifilile ukuthi uMthombeni akekho right. Now, with the issue of the medical aid on the table, uMangwabe noMusa had a discussion ngale seshe on their diary sessions, and uMangwabe reminded him ukuthi mamela, you can't say because I'm your wife I must aid you. I'm not the only wife that you have. Also, you cannot say because I work for government I must urge you, I'm not the only one that works the government. Mina lang me khona as your wife, I believe we should take care of you equally. We should contribute equally. It should not matter ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mina la ngihleli khona, I feel ukuthi le jogwe amelanga ngilithwale ngingedwa. Why? Because I'm not your only wife. You are not a man that is married to one woman. These other
So on
wives
the
also
table,
must
the
show
issue of
up.
how
And
people
if
felt, babuza
government
uMaNgwabe ukuthi how did she
is your
feel
reasoning, I'm not
ngokusa
the only one that
esesibhedlele,
works
and
ka
she responded,
government.
and
I was like, yes, sis. Wabona ukuthi uMayeni also
bayamugrilwa umusa,
interjected.
Nkosi yami, abafuna
Tobile
kuyawuhema.
also asked to say something, and she clarified to the point where Umayeni was saying there are people that said I did not take care of you. I think there was a situation where the bill was supposed to be divided by 4, and me Nanguma Kumala was told ukuthi wena you are not going to contribute a cent to this bill. And that's when Umayeni clarified ukuthi yes, I did say that because I was told ukuthi ukhona uNeska Mthombeni onguMaNgwabe, and thus I don't need any other person to nurse me. So I'm glad that Uma Khumalo noMayeni were able to iron that out amicably, because at some point I thought ukuthi because there are a lot of issues piling around them, this one also might be that hanging cloud between the two of them. This is what happened ku Uthando Nesthembu. I don't know ukuthi nina niyibone kanjani, but I would really love to hear what you say from the comment section down below, because iyasha i-therapy session on the table. Iyasha, kuyashisa, 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 kuyashisa. And I'm enjoying every moment of it. But yeah, this is your girl, Disebo D. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.